This is how to play audio or music across all slides in Google Slides. Okay. The first step is to launch a web browser. Visit slides.google.com and log into your account, and after that, open the presentation file. This is the presentation file, and look at the first slide here, and it contains up to 8. So I want to add audio on this first slide, and after that, the audio will play across all other slides. First, let's insert the audio. So click on Insert, select the audio option, and open any of the folders you have in your Google Drive and pick the audio file. But here, I don't have any audio in all these folders. So I have to head to my Google Drive and then create a different folder and add the audio file. So I'll click on New tab and I'll visit drive.google.com. So I'll click on My Drive. Let's now create a new folder, though this can be uploaded inside any of these folders, but I want to create a special folder for that. So I'll click on New and select the option of New Folder. Let's call this audio file. Then I'll click on Create button. Okay, look at it, it has been created. So I'll open it now by double clicking on it. Since the folder has been opened, let's now add the audio file. I'll click on New and select the file upload option. Then I'll get to folder where I have the file. It's inside the downloads folder. And look at the audio file here. I'll click on it and click on open. So let's wait for it to be uploaded. And here it has been uploaded. So let's get back to where we were in the presentation file. You can see this file, this folder we created now has automatically been synced. So I will double click on this audio and look at the content here. So I'll click on it and click on insert. So hold on, and it has been placed here. So immediately it gets placed here, you can play it. It's playing well. Okay, so as it is placed here, this is selected automatically and this pane is open here. So this audio playback. If it's not open, if you find your own like this, once you click on this icon, please click on this drop down. On clicking on this drop down, this start playing on click is okay. Then volume when presenting. If it's too high, drag across this slider for it to be less. Okay. Then what you need to do is here you have stop or slide change. Please uncheck this by clicking on it. So once you uncheck this, as you move from slide to slide, the audio will keep playing. All right. But if this is checked, once you click on the next slide, you get to the next slide, the audio will not play or the music will not play. So let's uncheck it and close this pane. So let's get to slideshow. So I'll click on slideshow for us to test this out. Now I'm on the slideshow mode. So let me click on this and click on play. So let me proceed to the next slide. It's still playing. It's still playing. Then I'll click here and escape. This is slideshow. So with this, any audio you add plays across all the slides you have in the presentation software. If this content helps, consider subscribing. There's a product shown here on this video. It's one of the products I sell on my store. If you get to the store and you don't like what is displayed here on the screen, you can go through my store. I have a lot of products, mugs, shirts, and different other products you can find there. Thank you and see you some other time.